Question. Okay, if you're elected circuit attorney, if there's a current, the current circuit attorney has a report on a police shooting victim and there's mistaken, changed information, forensics in it, would you be willing to go back and re-examine that report?
If it was brought to my attention in the way that you just did, absolutely. One of the things I was just telling that gentleman before I spoke to you was that because I was a police officer for as long as I was, I know how to read a police report. Okay, and what I mean by that is I say I'm the only candidate up here that can read a police report. Obviously, we all can read, but I'm the only one that knows. I can look at a police report and know that this isn't right, or they don't do this, or this shouldn't have been that way.
Because this is forensic science reports.
Yeah, but I was a homicide detective back in 1991, 92, when we had over 300 homicides in the city of St. Louis. Science and so on has changed. I grant that, but it's still the same thing. It's still, whether it's forensics or whether it's somebody's testimony or somebody's statement, I can read a police report. And if something appears to be improper and you bring it to my attention, certainly I'll take a look at it.
Okay, well, in the Von Derek Myers case, the gunshot residue forensics is different. In the Missouri State Highway Patrol, what they reported is different than what's in the report that was released last May.
Okay, I haven't seen either one, so it'd be kind of hard for me to make a statement about that, but there would certainly be something I'd take a look at. I know that the circuit attorney has already ruled on that there would be no charges filed.
Yeah, but it was based on false forensics written in the report.
Let me finish I know that the circuit attorney has already ruled on that case that she's not going to charge the police officers in that shooting.
There's only one police officer, and he's not a police officer.
Yes,
he's not a police officer anymore.
I know, but she's not going to charge. Well, she charged one that was not a police officer after 4 years. But my point in all that is...
But the forensics proved that he lied, and then she changed it in the report so she wouldn't have to explain why he lied.
There's no statute of limitations
on murder.
There you go. So you got
I know that.
Okay. Did it help you at all?
Well, it doesn't help his family at the moment.
Well, and I know it doesn't help his family at the moment, but I'm hoping that my response kind of answered your question. That's what I meant. Does that help you in the response?
And also, Mr. Hammaker is the one currently prosecuting her, so he can't answer my question.
Who?
Jennifer Morgan Tyra. She was shot 18 times in the back by the St. Louis police last year, and she's paralyzed. And the police lied to the media and said they shot her once in the chest, and they're prosecuting her for allegedly assaulting an officer, even though the witness and forensic evidence all prove that there is no way she was pointing a gun at the police when they shot her.
I have not seen that report or the forensics, and I know that you're speaking...
They're not releasing any of it. I'm just saying based on the witness statements.
Okay, I have not talked
and there
to the
is forensic... The police apparently took a home security system with video that has never been released, and the officers' names have never been released.
I can't speak to that because I don't know the information that you have. You're telling me this I'm hearing this for the first time, so it's hard to make an assessment, but it would be something that I would be open to looking at. Okay? So it's kind of hard for me to say yay, nay, or one way or the other when I don't, just based on your statements. Right. What's your name?
Heather.
Heather? Steve. Okay, I've never met you, Heather. I'm sure you.
I thought I met you, or maybe it was somebody running for sheriff.
Probably sheriff. Okay. So my point in all that, I'm not saying anything negative about you. I'm just saying I don't know you. I don't know what you're right. So I don't know what you're telling me to. So we just met. So it's hard for me to try to make a judgment or assessment on something that I don't know anything about, that I'm hearing from somebody that I just met. Right. Okay. So I don't mean that negatively. I hope you understand. Okay.
I know.
All righty. Thank you, Heather.
Thanks.